Hi guys, it's Alston and welcome to our free SEO basic course. In this course, I'm going to assume you know nothing about SEO. This course is geared toward to beginners who don't have no knowledge on SEO or don't have a clear understanding of SEO. So the goal for this course is to give you a clear understanding of search engine, SEO optimization, and how these works. So what I have done is I have divided my entire SEO teaching plan into several logical component because SEO is a complicated process. So if I try to teach everything in under one course, it might be overwhelming for you, or I might not be able to go in depth and give you advanced knowledge on each of this process. So what I've done was I have divided into several key components such as basic SEO, where this whole course is going to be focusing on, and the next one is going to be keyword research, on page SEO, off page SEO, SEO maintenance, and tracking. So this is going to be the plan for the entire SEO course which I have planned for you guys, the main one. And also I'm not going to stop just on teaching this. I will be creating and making question and sessions, webinars, videos, podcast, and more resources. My goal for you guys is to not just to teach and forget about it, but if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, I will be able to further help you guys to get you the clear understanding and fundamentals to make sure that you are on the right path. So if you want more information such as that, feel free to join our community. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated with our new course materials when it gets published. You can join our newsletters to keep on updated with any new SEO content which I'm going to release it for you guys for free, and also bookmark our course sections. Okay, first, this is important, so I wanted to mention out to you guys, there is no magic pill or secret sauce when it's to get SEO learned faster or get instant results or anything. I'm going to give you all the required knowledge, all the in-depth and relevant industry knowledge and workflow answers, but you need to put effort also into learning and into practicing. So it's going to be, even though I give you all the knowledge, you need to do the work on yourself also to get the maximum benefit by doing SEO optimization. So that is the basic introduction I wanted to give you guys on this SEO basic course. Now let's see you guys on the next lesson.